near bulb. I go put them for my girlfriend center chandelier bulb in her bedroom. And every day I was busy watching blue film, watching her see different guys.
Ịmakwa na o nwere ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị bụ Ọladịkpọ, Ọlaniyi, Ọladimeji, Ọlatunde, Ọlanka, Ọlanka. Kedu ihe nwa ikorobịa na-ekwu? O wee bụ na o nwee nwa agbọghọbịa ya na ya na-ayị, ha adịgokwa engage o wee sị ka ọ nwagodu nwa agbọghọbịa ka ọ marụ ma ihe ọ na-agwụ ya ka ọ bụ ma ihe anya ya na-afụ ka nwa agbọghọbịa bụ. O wee ma ntụọ kamera. O wee bụ na nwa agbọghọbịa onye abịa dina ya taa, onye abịa dina ya echi, onye abịa dina ya nwanne echi, onye abịa dina ya nwanne echi. Ka nwa ikorobịa jezi wepụta kamera, hey! O tie mkpu n'elu, tie mkpu n'ala. Gịnị mee? Biko ka m hapụ unu getọpụ ihe si ya n'ọnụ pụta. Ụmụ nwaanyị, anya unu sakwa na anya ụmụ nwoke asana. Nene ya ka mmadụ ihe iche n'ihe onyonyo a. Biko ichezọkwa na like ya vidiyo, share kwa ya, subscribe. Ịnụ a na-ewetara unu update. Ngwa gee ntị ka ịnụ ihe si nwa ikorobịa n'ọnụ pụta. Ọ dị egwu. Ngwa ka ọ dị.
I know say I get money, but people just they see the money. They don't know say I dey street smart. So this girl with the date, it don't they reach where the relationship done they serious. And before I marry you, I must run a lot of tests around you to make sure I'm not tying myself in bondage or something like that. So see, look here properly. If you look, this thing now, POP Bob, yeah. What I did is I go buy that tiny rope light camera within the put near bulb. I go put them for my girlfriend center chandelier bulb in her bedroom. And every day I was busy watching blue film, watching her see different guys. While we were planning marriage, she no know. I go just there where I did. They watch free blue film. She was cheating all along. 6 different guys slept with her on her bed in her bedroom, but she no know say I put one tiny camera beside the bulb. So I don't plan waiting I go do am. We go pay them like the thing pay me. I no. I plan to leave her on the wedding day. Now, this is what happened. I knew I was not into that wedding. I led her on. We cook. I personally spent my money. I spent over 6 million just to make sure say I won't vex the girl. So on the wedding day, her parents, everybody don't come around. I didn't play the video. Don't think that's where I'm going. Everybody don't come around. They don't know say I don't book my flight ticket. On that wedding day, I left the country. Now from the outside country, I first they talk to them for video. They show them around where they. I know they're Nigeria again. Mind you, in the life of a lot of females, yeah, you get what then they do. Wedding eve. On that wedding eve, then go give your woman, if not the one where get bad friends, not be of every woman, then go give your woman one guy, or the girl go call any guy wearing like we go sleep it and one last time. Then they call him exit to this from the street. I be waiting. They call him graduation. Say no this street again. Everything happened. Then have him bedroom. The home I bought with my money. The house where she dey stay, na me buy am because we live differently. So I have every right to install camera in my house. Now the house I did like this now. Look at the bulb. Now where are the stress to put the camera? I put holes on all this thing. Look at the house. So it's my house. I can do anything. Now imagine say I no loot that kind of thing. So I for don't marry Oshofri, put for inside my house. Listen, guys, if you know, say people like them, VDM, Tunde, no, don't just we get big prick, don't knock you. You do not bother have to come meeting a lot of. If you don't do Oshofi for different states, don't come to Lagos. Don't from Port Harcourt come to Lagos, or from Lagos go to Port Harcourt. If you don't finish the state, then you want go look for one mumu marry. No, look for one mumu from your customers. Marry. You are not going. If you meet a person like me, the harder you come, the harder I give it back to you. I still sabi. I can spend any amount of money just to pay you back on your own coin. On the eve of the wedding, she did her last knocking off the street. Who does that? Well, the papa they swear, the mama they swear, all of them they swear. Your course.
unu anụgonu ka o si wee mee. O nwekwa ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị akara obi biko ọ bụrụ gị kedu ihe ị ga-eme nwa agbọghọ, ị ga-emekarị ihe nwoke a mere ka ọ n'ime mmekarị a gwadebie ihe ị ga-eme ma ọ bụrụ gị n'efere mba ụwa. Ndewonu ụmụ nwaanyị kpacharụ n'anya unu na ụmụ nwoke awagokwa n'anya dị egwu kịta ụmụ nwoke agwagokwa n'anya dị egwu, kpacharụ n'anya unu. Ndewonu ndị be anyị, biko na unu echezọkwa na like, ishare, subscribe. Daalụnụ ụmụnne m, ka ọ dịnụ.